Friends, welcome to a new video of mine, and in this video we are going to unbox my RC car. And don't forget to subscribe or I will delete your Minecraft account. Okay, so get it, keep it in your mind. Okay, so my RC car is red color and it's so cute and small and I love it. And I have a special guest with me. It's my say hi dude. Okay, my brother is so cute and he's also wearing red dress. Except for me, red dress. Okay, I'm wearing some color. I don't know, it's turquoise. Okay, so are you ready to check this car out? Wait, you see this? It's an ultimate car. Okay, then now let me turn it on. The blue light will be there. Let's do some road drive first. I think let's do it here. So yeah, it will be better over here. My brother is doing the wheels. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I think the antenna is not working. We have to go a little further. Okay, it's so hot here. OMG. Oh my god, it's a windy and hot. The car, he crashed it. Be careful. Okay, this car, I think I bought it from Amazon. Its name is Nice Tea Racers. It's a red car and it's so good. It goes on sand and my brand. He never listens. Okay, we are going to first drive it in the land, then to the off-roading part. Okay, wait. Let me show you the RC control. Front. Oh my god. And back. And then right. Wait, what? Hey! You have to drive fast and it will go. Yeah, can you see it turning? It turns a little. Can you take the car, bro? Take the car and show me the down part. You see it? Oh, it has a little sand over here because my brother took it. Okay, keep it down. Let's take it for a test drive. Let me crash it. Oh! You actually crashed. Oh my god. Okay, so let's take it to the sand. Hold it. Drive it. I want you to drive it. Okay, come. Oh, that's right. Left, stop. Okay, take it. You're good in driving. We are going to also drift this car in the sand. Drive it. Oh, oof. Let's take it for a drive in the sand. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, he went. Come back. Okay, yeah, drive it. Oh my god. Look how it drives. In the sand. It's so good, right? Oof. Ew, boats. Wait, I have a good idea. What's that idea? We can drift this. Like, you can check the car. Give me the car. Give me the car. This is so good. Just look at it. We're gonna keep it over here. Don't touch the sand. Ew. It worked yesterday, but it's now. Oh my god. Wait. Some sand. Oh my god. Wait, I think it's not working right now. There's no power in this car? It was working so good yesterday. Wait, let me tell my whole. Wait. Turn it aside. Wait, now. Do like this. Don't touch the sand. Keep it on full wheels. Oh! The sand can't here. Do it. Can you guys see it? Don't touch the sand, I said. See, I'm not even holding it. This is the best part of this car, my friends. Yeah, take it backwards. Oh my god, look how where the sand is. OMG. This car is so good. I said you to stop touch the sand. Okay, stop the car. Practically, there's no sand over here right now. Now look at. Go front. Okay, now let's just see. my god! Oh, wait. Is it working? Oh, never mind. I did it. Oh my god. Go. Yeah, do it. Drive. Oh, never mind. I stuck. It's not working. It's stuck. Oh, baby, calm down. Go now. Oh! Oh, see this weed. Look. I'm fasting it more. I love this part of the video. Look at this. Wait, oh my, stop the car. Oh my god. Look at it. This is the left wheel of the car. The middle part.
See this?
Oh my god. Both are the same, yeah. Wait, yeah, both are the same. This is more taller, this is more.
Oh, see this? It's splash.
Do it. It's even working right here. Okay, stop it. Oh,
See this?
whoa, sand literally came out of nowhere. Do it. Guys, stop. Oh, guys, can you see sand inside? The wheels? Can you see? Wait. Can you see the sand inside the wheels? Oh my god. There is too much sand. Oh my god. Wait, yeah, do it. Oh my god. Okay, stop. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel. So if you don't subscribe, you'll use your Minecraft account. Okay. Oh, my phone is full of sand. Oh my god. Look at the car. That is in good condition. Drive it. Go back. Oh, not in the sand again. Go back. Okay, yeah, stop it. Okay, guys, subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, I'm going to post about global village. And please see it.